Say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year. New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Kokok. That's good. New Year, you do the dishes and all.
No, just the Kosovo one. To the New Year. And then for the rest of the year, the New Year, that's it. No more dishes. I just want to show I can do this.
Yeah, and then, yan na. What?
I see the moon.
You see the moon? Good. Yeah, steamy kaayo pa. Open the window here pa. And pasta. Look, how come we go there in the moon? Hi! Happy New Year, guys! Hello! This time, mapapakita ko this time, hindi pa kami nag-dinner. Nung Pasko, nag-start ako mag-vlog. Natapos na kami mag-dinner, pero this time, hindi ako busy kasi si Frank yung nag-take over sa kusina. Kaya, may time tayo mag-vlog ngayon pero gabi na. Kasi kanina, nag-ano pa kami, naglinis-linis. Ha? Pansin wants to see, kuan guys, fireworks. You wanna see fireworks? Later at 12, okay? Let's see kung mayroong fireworks kasi dito pinagbabawal yung mga paputok, guys. Yeah, you will look on the window later, but it's too early. We still have our dinner, ha? Mag-dinner sa kami. Dito para... Labas tayo. So, ito yung ating mga, guys. Meron akong prosperity bowl natin. Ayan, 13 fruits, at saka loads of candies and sweets. Naantay ko na lang ang maluto, Kunin pala natin yung leche flan natin. Nagluto ako ng leche flan, at hindi na ako nagluto ng cake. Bidisi pa kasama sa kusina. Ito pala yung pa-outfit natin. Kasi nung Pasko, hindi ko napakita sa inyo.
Looking good. I can vote.
What? Wait lang, wait. Wait lang itong mga kwandra.
I'm missing the words.
Yeah, you're missing the words.
Yeah.
Speechless.
Speechless, yeah.
Ito, ating leche flan, guys. Ginawa ko kanina na leche flan. Hindi nyo ako makita,
Yeah, you want to show them that?
Yeah, I did already.
Inside?
Yeah.
Yeah, look.
Ang niluluto daw niya, guys. Pakita natin.
Is that crispy enough?
Lechon belly. No. Para siyang lechon belly, guys. Oh, ang sarap niyan. Uy, crispy na kaya na yan? Is that
Yeah.
crispy already?
That part here is already crispy.
He took over the kitchen. Very good. Good job, Papa, uy. Mag-Netflix daw sila kasi yung TV hindi nag-ano. What? Lesh? Ha?
Have you watched Netflix as well? Try.
Yeah, versuch's.
Yeah.
Yeah, but guys, ito na yung ating leche flan. Dalawang lanyera yung nagawa ko. So, ito lang yung ilalagay ko doon kasi hindi naman yan matapos. So, ayan. Lagay natin sa sala. Uy, mabigat pala siya, uy. Bakit ito mabigat? Bakit ito? Junior! Excuse Mama Junior. Excuse Mama Junior.
What did you do, Ella?
Okay, dyan natin siya. So guys, ganito lang yung New Year na talaga ako sa patar ko kasi meron tayong pabukton dyan. So, pasensya nyo na yung pabukton ko dyan. Na talaga ako kasi ang New Year namin dito, ganito lang, simple. Magkakain kami ng dinner, nam-nam. Uy, quiet, B. So, quiet, B. B. Put that down. Nagkabilog-bilog kami. Nagbilog-bilog kami, guys. Kami din. Tapos, Francis nag-yellow. Din ang mga bata, nagsidlak-sidlak yung mga damit nila. Kay pampaswerte sa New Year ba. So, ganito lang yung New Year namin, guys. Walang, same sa Christmas. Nag-ano lang kami. Picture taking. Remembrance ba. Mahulog ka, dahil. Oy, meron tayong delivery. Meron tayong sauerkraut. And red cabbage. Ayan. Yan. So, yung ano lang dayon, pasta lang dayon at saka rice. Tapos, yun na yun ang aming dinner. Aming medianoche. Medianoche namin. Simple lang ang aming ano dito guys, New Year. Tapos mag-antay kami hangtod alas 12. Mahulog ka dyan, be. Puntahan ko naman na si Francis kasi parang ano na yun na. Pagod na yun sa walker. Hello! Ang aming bugoy, oh. Nag-yellow siya guys kasi diba ang ano ngayon is lucky color is yellow. Tapos si mama kay pabilog-bilog. Pabilog-bilog, bilog-bilog. Kuk-kuk-kuk, kuk-kuk-kuk. Kuk-kuk-kuk-kuk. Kuk-kuk. Si Francine, Francis! Ito na, kakain na kami guys. Ngayon na kami natapos kung ano yung magluto. At ito yung ating ulam. Yan, ang ating handa guys. Simple lang itong aming dinner. Wala, hindi pala sa Pilipinas na. Oh, but this is looks so yummy. Parang lechon.
Ist das?
Sauerkraut. All
Das ist das, was
prepared.
du magst, was die Mutter macht.
All prepared by Mayor.
Ja.
Mayor Frank. Pasta, pork belly, and sauce, sauerkraut, para siyang salad guys, and root coal, leche flan, and banana cake.
yummy,
So,
yes.
ayan. May Happy New Year! Wala si
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Si Francine guys natutulog. Kain muna kami guys kasi 8 PM na. Nag-aaway na sila. Maya na ako uupo kasi si Frank na-busy pa dun, oh. Na-busy pa paghatag sa kanila. Nag-slice siya ng mga bahay nila guys. Hindi na ako nakatingin sa lens. No?
I said, but I really want
Lami.
this one.
No.
Kain na tayo guys. Kain!
Want the water?
Happy New Year! It's not New Year yet. It's 2200 guys. Pero simula na namin ni Frank magtagay. Slowly baby, ha? I get a shock robot.
You can still.
I always get a shock robot. No, don't do it like that, ha? Like in the movie, don't do it like that. No, baby. I'm afraid.
Happy New Year.
Baby, do it slowly, like that slime. Cheers!
Oh, you did it?
Yeah, it was so good.
She fucked up.
Ako guys, nag-cardigan, sulaman, malamig.
And I'm always cut off my hand.
Yeah. It's okay, it's New Year now. Cheers. Ganito ang New Year dito guys. The New Year here in Germany is like that. Look. Tadadang! They're just on mobile. And si Francis doon, natutulog. Binalhin namin ito. Binalhin namin guys kasi ano, umiyak siya. Then si Francis natutulog pa. At 12 aming antayin. So, mag-movie night kami.
What is that?
Ganito ang New Year namin dito guys. Walang ano.
You have
Did you mix it now with water?
Here, still more.
Okay.
You have a toast? Oh, tikling duha.
Yeah, we should have a toast actually
Yeah.
to the New Year.
Okay.
So, can I give that to you?
Now we have to say hello.
So, cheers.
Cheers. So, let's start the horror movie na.
That's good. Yummy.
Horror movie na. Pampahilis sa ano guys, sa fats.
I want to eat.
Wala may fireworks guys. What? You see, what's wrong?
It's good.
Cold? Oh, come here, come here. You're afraid? No, may nahitabo sa ting New Year, guys. Walang nangyari, walang ganap sa New Year, guys. Di kagaya nung last year na madaming fireworks. Ngayon, pinagbabawal kasi ngayon. Yeah.
Ano?
They're not doing anything. Unlike last year.
Oh, again now.
Mingaw kayo man, ang dalan. Wala mang nangyari-yari. Dinhin na lang ni Stevie.
It's a fireworks.
The fireworks.
Hey, look at this.
Dance, dance. Dance. Ang gising si Francis.
What?
Brother.
Fireworks.
This... Not brother, this is a fireworks brother.
Boom.
Boom, 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 boom. Happy New Year! Happy New Year, brother! Happy New Year! Happy New Year, brother! Happy New Year! You must fancy. Oh, dance, dance. Happy New Year! Oh, that girl. Happy New Year, brother. My baby, can you fix my camera? It's sliding on its own. It's like La Luna is there. Yeah, they're like. The fireworks is gone. Next year, probably after Corona is done.
Is it really loud?
Give me my content. Can you please understand? Thank you.
It's stinky.
Is this mine?
Yeah, you still didn't drink.
Go look if there is still some, okay? And come back here if there's none, ha? That they were watching them. They're lucky there that there's no internet. Somebody is watching them. You can blow the balloon.
Yeah.
That's for making noise.
I want to, but Hans will be afraid.
No, he's not because he's awake now. But you have to do it by your bum bum. That's the way it should be. It's funny, ba? You know that game? You
With the feet, it's better.
You need to sit on it.
you sit on it. Then
I sit earlier on it. No, I wanted to sit on the couch and I sit on a balloon, but it didn't
it
pop.
didn't pop. In Philippines, we do that like that at games.
It's really hard to on who you will.
Yeah, but
when
it's
you
funny.
change, it's red. The pom-pom will be red. Pom-pom will be red.
I found
Which way? On the window? You want to look on the window again?
Ja, vor allem mit den Schuhen. Was hättest du damit zu Hause?
Happy New Year!
Doesn't England.
Happy New Year!
Excuse
You like
me.
it? Bus.
Excuse me. What is the name of the new virus? It says
What?
it's
It's finished. The fireworks. Naghanap ng fireworks si Francine. It's finished na. We're gonna see. Happy New Year! Welcome 2021! Cook, 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 cook. Yeah, I found a movie. A Dog's Way Home.
Oh my god. That's fun for sure.
It's already almost 1
Sit
a.m.
down, sit down.
We will stay awake until 5.
No.
Oh.